Let us take a peek in the life at GNIOT Group of Institutions, Greater Noida. The Greater Noida Institute of Technology, located in the green and serene Greater Noida, just off the Yamuna Expressway. The college provides an academic ambience for the students to study and thrive in their professional field. The college is well equipped with the basic amenities like within campus hostel, cafeteria, transportation facility, sports ground, Wi-Fi, to name a few. The group has institutions running under the Sri Ram Trust, founded in the year 2000. There are 7 departments in the campus. The Department of Computer Science Engineering has an intake of 180 seats. Electronic and Communication Engineering, along with Civil Engineering and Mechanical Engineering, has an intake of 240 seats, respectively. Information Technology has 120 seats, Electrical Engineering has 180 seats, and Automobile Engineering has 60 seats. The college also offers master course in MCA, MBA, and MTech. Dr. Rohit Garg, Director GNIOT, is a dynamic personality under whose guidance the institute has crossed new academic and scholastic milestones.
Dear parents and students, we are committed to provide best and skilled technocrats and managers to the society. Here at GNIOT, students have zeal to reach zenith of knowledge, practical skills, and industrial competencies. We offer umpteen endeavors for brighter career of the students. We understand the ponderable need of the era, the research area, and therefore we emphasize on the projects meeting out the needs of the industry. At GNIOT, life is colorful, full of wonderful experiences which help to build up the real personality of the students. Hostel environment also augments the mental ability of the students along with the healthy food and sports facilities. We develop the essence of success, entrepreneurship, confidence, and sense of prestige in our students. We always believe to create new, big, and rare heights in our journey of professional education. Thank you.
Computer labs, fully air-conditioned laboratories, updated with latest software. Sri Ram Central Library. Over 1,25,000 books are available. Subscription for national, international journals and magazines are there. Electronic and Communication Department. The department provides students with state-of-the-art systems and laboratories with regularly upgraded curriculum. Civil Engineering Department. The Department of Civil Engineering, with its multifaceted faculty from different fields, high-quality teaching and instruction. Mechanical Engineering Department. The department has well-equipped laboratories for both BTech and MTech courses. The team of well-qualified and experienced faculty members. Electrical Engineering Department. The goal of the department is to educate students in fundamental concept of electrical engineering. Classroom teaching. The dynamic and well-qualified faculty of the institute ensures an overall development of the student. MBA Department. Dr. Savita Mohan, Director MBA, having an enigmatic persona, has led the MBA Institute to scale new heights and to become one of the most sought after course too.
GNIOT aims to educate leaders of enterprises. We believe these leading management professionals contribute to make a difference to the organizations and to the world around them. At GNIOT, we focus on the teaching pedagogy in a way that must produce the managers that are demanded by the corporate world. Learning is aligned with the issues and challenges the corporate world is facing in the current scenario. We look forward for being recognized as one of the premium management institute worldwide. To achieve this goal, the institute is following the three-dimensional approach: connect, nurture, and grow. Connect with the proactive and the world best practices and policy. Nurture a high performance work and academic environment. Grow the capacity. These three strategic priorities, connect, nurture, and grow, bring us the dream which we are aiming for. I welcome the management aspirants to GNIOT to grow and build their careers. Thank you.
GNIOT students here are vibrant, cheerful, and inquisitive. Students actively participate in academics.
We study over here as teachers are providing us with the best learning we can provide.
Every day I got a lot of knowledge in this field that improved my abilities and skills.
Thank you, GNI, for giving us a bridge to fly.
Hello, this is Malay, GNIT Sports Club President. Recently, we have organized our annual sports meet Spardha, in which chief guest was Parvinder Awana. We have organized the events like cricket, football, volleyball, badminton, chess, carom, etc. Our main focus was on kabaddi, kho-kho, tug of war, and some fun games too. Our main motive is to encourage our players to represent our college in higher level.
My name is Palak Bansal and I am a student of Information Technology in second year. I am a very integral member of the GNIOT Tech Club. GNIOT Tech Club organizes various technical and non-technical events all throughout the year, and we cover all the NCR plus the Delhi regions under this body. We try to cover all students who are interested in technical events, so we organize various workshops and seminars for them as well. Every year we organize a mega inter-college technical festival which is known as the Tech Sparks, and we try our best to bring out the best in every student. So let's inspire, innovate and ignite. Thank you.
I am Himangi Singh. I'm from GNIOT Group of Institutions and I'm also a Senior Coordinator of GNIOT's Cultural Club. The GNIOT Group of Institutions founded its GNIOT Cultural Club, which aims to unite the varied and diverse culture of India. Under the GNIOT Cultural Club and under the patronship of our respected director sir, our faculty in charges and our respected president, we hold various cultural events, of which our mega event is Fusion. Fusion is the annual cultural fest of GNIOT, in which we organize various cultural, technical as well as informal events. The GNIOT Cultural has and always will aim to unite the varied culture of India and to promote various types of cultures and diversity of cultures in and around our campus. Thank you.
GNCT, the Greater Noida College of Technology, is another college of the group. The college has currently 4 departments.
Hello, I'm Shruti Gupta from Electronics and Communication Engineering Department from GNIOT. I am highly gratified by my placement in United Health Group. I am highly thankful to my parents, my teachers, my friends. I would like to thank the Training and Placement Office, especially the Training and Placement Office head, Mr. Prashant Khare, and the teammates, Ms. Swati ma'am, Mr. Manoj sir, and Mr. Ravi sir. I would like to be thankful to my friends who have encouraged me for this. And finally, I would like to encourage my juniors to work hard and go far ahead. All the best, my juniors.
Hostel. Separate hostel for boys and girls, juniors and seniors. 2-seater AC and 3-seater AC, non-AC, fully furnished rooms with attached bath. Laundrette facility available. Transportation. Bus facility for day scholars. Multiple routes covered around NCR.